Yeah, now recorded. So then there are a lot of data are there. So normally -2 to +2, right? -2 is for strongly negative, negative is -1, 0 is neutral about the product, and plus is positive, +2 is strongly positive. Okay, so if you look at this, we have checked, we have created, so far how many variables are there in data set in the Excel sheet? How many columns are there? How many columns in the Excel sheet? Huh? Two column, right? Two column. One is which column? Qt. Okay, name of the data set is Qts. The first column, first variable is Qts. It's a text. Another one is average. Okay, so the average is the rating. How many people have analyzed each Twitter? How many people are analyzed each Twitter?
5 members.
Five members.
5 members.
Average is the this one. Average. Okay, so in order to create one more variable, okay, one more factor we are creating. So one more variable in order to know the negative truths. Okay, so we are creating one more column. What is that one more column? The name of the column is what? Truth mean what? Truths mean is the data set. If you put dollar symbol means variable, one of the variable, another variable, another third column we are creating is a negative. Okay, so as a factor means a category variable. Okay, yes or no question. So after this, what we have done? So three columns are now created artificially in the Excel sheet. So if you look at this, like similar to false means zero. Okay, zero or zero. What the total row? 1181. Among these 991 are talking about positive. Positive means either 0 plus 1 or minus 1. So that means it's given false. False means you assume that it's like a category data. Okay, this is for 0, this is for 1. True mean what? So 182 respondent, 183 what is this? Twitter talking about some negative. That means rating is -1 or less than -1. Less than -1 means which one? -2. -2 is the less than -1. So this is the data. One more column we create. What is the name of the one more column? First column is which one? Cute. Second column is average. Third column is which one?
Negative.
Negative. So negative means either true or false, or one or zero, some kind of. One is for positive statement. Zero is for positive statement. One is for the negative statement. Okay. False is for no positive statement. True is for the negative statement about the product. Okay. So then, did you remember we already installed the packages? So if you want to install the packages, which is what is the command you have to put? Library dot it's a install that package tm. Tm means which one? What the name of the text mining package? Okay, already installed. After this, another package, another library we had called. What is another library? Snowball
Z.
Okay, so just recap. Then what we have done in the text mining package, there is one function called corpus. Corpus is the, if you want to pre-process the data, okay, if you want to pre-process it or remove some kind of uneven the data, we are using one function called corpus. Corpus is the package in TM. It will convert that 180 document into pre-processing document. So you have to convert the Excel document into corpus document in order to pre-process. Okay, so corpus is pre-processing we'll use. So if you look at this now, 180, how many corpus will be there? Same. How many corpus? Same, all the data will be corpus. Okay, so why we are converting data into corpus? In order to clean the data. Okay, pre-processing. So if you look at the first corpus, first will constitute. Okay, one not one characters was there. So we have done some first what we have done. But first pre-processing, what pre-processing we have done? First step. First thing we have done pre-processing. There are 4-5 pre-processing. The first thing what we have done.
Removing punctuation.
Not punctuation, I think.
Or
No, sir.
variable language.
We'll be changing into
I think the lower
lower.
case. Lower
Yes,
case.
sir.
First what we have done lower case. Forget our one. Okay. So first here corpus is what? Converted the Twitter file into pre-processing format file. Okay. So this is the file now for pre-processing. So everything become lower now. Okay. So we have done lower. Lower mean all lower case. Same character will be there. Okay. After that, what we have done?
Removing punctuation, sir.
Punctuations. Okay, punctuation means uh, unwanted words. Okay, at some that also we removed. So if you look at this 4 punctuation was there in first tute, we removed. If you want second tute, same one, corpus, you have to do which one? You have to change into 2. Like this, you can do up to how much? 1181. Okay.
8-1.
After that, what we have done? Third step, what we have done?
Stop words.
What is stop word? The all these things. The top English stop word is this or this. I, me, my. Like this, it could go like any number of words. So, but problem here is stop word apple also is a highly repeated word because this product is apple. But in default English, the stop word will not be there. Apple will not be there. So, in order to include this one, we have done corpus remove words. See the column that apple also very. To put English mean all the stop words in English will be removed. Okay. Remove. Then what we have done? Next is what?
Stem document.
Stem document. Stem mean ing.
STEM documents.
So ed. All these things. That also we have done. So this is the final document. Up to this we have done or what?
Next, frequencies also we have done, sir.
Okay. So after this, now the corpus file is ready. Now you have to convert into matrix. I will tell you what is the matrix. I'll tell you. So this also will be there. Now the same file, corpus. Originally the file name was not corpus. Okay, originally setute. Then we have changed it into corpus for pre-processing. Now the corpus file again we are changing into matrix. Okay. So if you look at this, see here, document mean row. Okay. Terms mean column. Okay. So how many columns are there? Almost 3,289 column, and row is how much? 1,181.
1181.
I'll explain now. One minute. Here itself, I'll try to explain. 1 minute. I'm just. Is that board? Okay, I'll go to whiteboard. Yeah. See here, this is called data. Are you able to see my? Notice this one blackboard, whiteboard.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So this is the data. Okay. This is the matrix of data. Okay. Excel also will look like this. Okay. So please understand. Now we Twitter data become corpus. Corpus become now frequency. Okay. So this is the row, right? Row denotes which one? All the twos. Okay, how many will be there? From 1 to 1,181. Okay, so if you look at this data, there are other 2 columns are there. What is the other 2? Average. Average 1 column will be there. Another one is what? Negative. Negative mean either is a negative statement, true or false. Apart from this, twos. Okay, so full wordings will be there. Full wordings. Okay, first some wording was there. So if you look at this, there is another matrix will be created, another column. From column, how much will create? I'll just show you how much column. 3219. From 1 to how much it will be created? 3 2 9 7. 9 7 or which one to check it? 8 9. Sorry, 8 9. Okay. So this much column will be created. Okay. For example, prostitute. What is the name of the prostitute? Can anyone read that? Prostitute in the Excel file. Can you read it? Read it out. Can anyone read the prostitute? Are you able to hear my voice? Can you read the prostitute?
So 1 minute, sir. I have to say Apple has by far the best customer care service I have ever received.
Yeah. So that is the first, based on this post pre-processing and all the comma, all these things. There's some 5 words will be. Assume that 5 words will be there. Mean it will come here. What are the first 5? Apple will be removed. Can you read some words? Which word will come here? Any idea? Yeah. Somebody can you read one more time?
I have to say
Okay,
Apple
for example,
has.
see, Okay, say will be not stopping words or something. Say. So like this, lot of words. There are some words will come related to first unit. Similarly, second word, some words will come. Like this, third to some words will come. Like this, how many words will be there totally? All the one, not one unique the tutor after removing the punctuation, stemming words, capital letter, all this one, all these things. So unique words are how many are there in the total tut? 3,280.
89.
Okay, so this is called which one? Matrix. Now created. Okay, so are you able to understand now? So initially we have two column, one more column we created for negative sentiment, true or false. Another one is matrix we created. Okay, so the top will be what will be the each variable words. Okay, this is called text analytics. Automatically, no need to do, just understand as a manager what's happening inside the R software. Okay, so this is what we have done it. Now I will go to R software. Okay, totally how many is there? This much. So if you look at what is the problem here is very difficult to analyze all this data. If you want to inspect, okay, use this function, inspect frequency. So there are how many 1,181, right? So we are going only 5 column. Okay, what are the 1,000 to 1,500 to on this column also there are a lot of columns 1 to 328. So we are going with only 505 to 515, 15 column. Okay, see here, this is the data. So I have shown from mostly one column, first column, like this. This is the data. So wherever the zero mean what it is, this tutor 1,000 tutor doesn't count this word. Okay, that is a zero. If it is there, mean what is the number? 1. For example, 1,001. See, 100th tutor is contain words called which one? Idea. Okay. So if you look at this, lot of places we are getting zeros. Okay. So that means that word is not there in this particular tutor. Okay. So this is called which one? Sparsity. Sparsity mean unwanted words will be there in the this one. Okay. So a lot of words will be zeros. Okay. So in order to do this one, you have to find the highly used words in the data set. So at least, for example, I'm using another function to find the in the frequency is the file now, the data matrix file. In this, at least 20 times we are getting 1 year like this, at least 20 or above. Okay, if it is there, what are the words? Okay, we are asking the software. Okay, so how many words are there? 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. 54 words. Only 54 words in the total 3,289 words. Totally, how many unique words are there in the total tutor? 3,200 in this. Only 54 words only at least cited how many times? Minimum 20 times. Okay. Remaining words almost see almost lot of words are cited less than 20 and also more than here more minus if you take this one 554 how much will come? More than 3,000 20 or 30 words are cited less than 20 times. Okay, a lot of unwanted words are there. Okay, so why we are doing this one? If you do this without cleaning these one words, unwanted words, what will happen? It will become take lot of time to compute. Okay, so sample itself 181, but the column is a variable. How many is there? 3,289 is larger. Okay, so normally sample should be more than the variables, but here is opposite. So if you take lot of computation power, and also result also will get bias. So in order to avoid this one, we are trying to do some process. So we are going to remove some sparse mean unwanted words or less cited words we are removing. Okay, so you use this one, sparse, remove sparse stem, frequency 0.09. Please note down 0.09 mean 5% of the, not 5%, okay, 0.0 means 0.5% word will be removed. It is cited less than 5%, 0.05%. If you are getting 0.09 mean 1% of word will be removed if you cited less than 1%. The total, if you look at how many words are there, 3,289 words in this 0.05% of the words will be removed. Okay, if it is cited less than 0.0%, out of 100 times in the words, if some words are cited only less than 0.05 times in the total 100 words, mean that word will be removed. Why is 0.05? Because I'm given 0.995. Opposite will be how much? 0.005, right? 0.005. Okay, so that means 5% of the or 0.05% of word will be removed in the this word if you are cited less than 0.05%. So if you are getting 0.9 mean 5%, 0.92 mean 8%. So sparse means we can remove the sparse word. That means it is cited very less. So some people they will not at all use that word. Some people only very specific. For example, class material tutors they will use some unique word that is not used by the other people. So what we are trying to find out is unique data set we are extracting from the overall. Okay, in order to avoid the computation speed, and also always the row should be higher than the column. Row means sample. So 20 is the sample here, and the column is the variable. So each wordings are variable here. So if you look at each wording, how much is there? 3,289. Row is how much? 1,181. So it is higher now. It should always be lesser than this one for any kind of machine learning. So in order to do this, to avoid these issues, we are doing this process. Removing sparse. Let me know up to this you completed. I'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Up to
Yes,
this,
sir.
are you completed? Just do it. Here now, sparse. Removed 5% word. Now, how much word is there? See here, only how much is there now? How much now? How much column now?
309.
309. How much? A lot of things you removed, right? See, almost previously 3,000 was there. Okay, Mangesh, let's see. What we can do is uninstall your R software and install one more time. Let's see.
I done everything, sir.
Everything
I removed Google Classroom and I installed all the apps newly yesterday.
yesterday, still you are getting problem. Okay,
Sir.
you let's see. I'll after the class you can share your screen. I'll give you as a co-host. You can share this one. We'll see.
Okay.
Okay. Internet connection is good, right? In your
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I came to field, sir. It's good only.
okay. Okay, just listen the recordings and write on. Let's see after the class it's possible to discuss.
Okay.
So now again. What is the data matrix? Name of the data matrix is what? No. What is the name of the data matrix? Frequency, right? So now, now frequency becomes sparse. All the data now it's in the sparse. Okay. So sparse contain row how many? 1,181. Column how much is there? 309. Okay. So now you keep the sparse. The name of the sparse file you change into to what you convert into matrix. One more time you have to convert data matrix. You have to convert in order to analyze in the CORT model. One more time you have to convert. Just type it. Let me know up to this is completed. Let me know, then I'll proceed. You type it in the chat window how many people are completed up to this step. After that, you can give the name of the columns. Okay, name. So R friendly name should be given. Okay, so if you look at the matrix, the to start sparse, it will not having the name of the variable. Okay, so whatever this text say, love, iPhones, this name will not be there in the Excel sheet. So in order to keep the name of this, and only numbers are available. In order to keep this wording as a heading of the variable, you have to write this one. Column names to start sparse. This is the now our new data set now. To start sparse. In this, make name the column names as a tutor. Now the data set is not tutor, is a tuts sparse. So now original data is a tuts, I think. In this is contain only 2 column. Then we added into third column. Then we are converted to corpus. The corpus we have done all the but this pre-processing, post pre-processing again that corpus we converted into frequency. The frequency we cut a lot of columns. In order to remove this one, we have applied sparse. Okay, the sparse is now the new data set. After the sparse, again we convert into data frame. Now current data set is tuts sparse. Okay, this is the data set. So we have kept the name of the file now. Okay, now in the data set you have to add our different variable. So what is the different variable of us? Our different variable is which one? If you remember, in starting itself we created one more column. What is that column? That is our different variable. One more column we created. What is that one more column? Initially 2 column was there.
Negative.
Negative. You create negative. So negative mean true or false. True mean negative sentiment. False mean positive. So out of 1181, 999 is which one? Positive statement. I think 350 something is a negative statement. Okay, we have done this. Okay, now this is the final data set. Up to this, are you completed? Up to these steps, are you completed? Let me know if you completed up to this step. We start with the remaining process. Just see your type it in chat window whether you completed up to this step. So what is the now file name? What is the name of the file name? What is the now current file name? Is what is the name of the current file name?
Sparse.
Sparse. That is the data. In this one more column we added, that is called negative. Rahul completed, Devyani completed, Rahul completed. Preeti. I'll wait for 2 minutes. See, every class, please save this file. How to save, you know, right? You have to go to file, open script or save as file, save this command, you can reuse anytime. So wherever you go to any company or anything, if you want to understand, the coding will be same. Only the name of the file name and the anything before equal to is called variable. You can change anything. Okay, after equal to you can't change. That is our understandable language. Okay, Maratha completed, Devyani, Rahul, Preeti. Let me know up to this step. I'll complete. Let me know. Avinash are completed. Avinash, Anish, Arnath, Manasa, Ravi Kumar. Okay. So now next one, we are going to what is the library we use for cart model? Do you remember? What is the library we use for cart model?
CA tools.
CA tools, correct. Okay, already we installed, so no need to install. Just you have to call the package. Okay, library. Now we are applying going to apply cart model. In cart model, we used to set some seed. Seed means in order to get all of that same answer, same data set, we are setting some seed. Okay, we just type 1, 2, 3. Then split. Split mean what is the data file name? Now is the data file name is just sparse. Okay, now you are going to divide this data set into two. Okay, 70% is for train, 30% is for test.
Test.
Okay, so train data is what is the original file name is to sparse. In this 70% data will go to train sparse. This is a separate sheet. Okay, another 30% will go to test sparse. Okay, that's all. Up to this is complete. And type it in chat window. Let's see. So originally 1181. In this we divided into two data sets. 70% is to this one. One main different variable is either statement is negative or positive. The statement is the average is -1 or less than -1 is the true. If it is less than 1, like 0 or 1, it will become false. Okay, that is our different variable. Independent variable are the data matrix, the wordings. How many wordings are you using now? 300 and how many wordings now? How many columns?
309.
309. We'll wait for another 2 minutes to complete. If you complete, please type it in chat window. Based on your green signal, I proceed to the next step. Vaishnavi completed. Dinti completed. Sri Sagar and all, are you writing? Sri Sagar. Ravi Kumar. Okay, sir, follow the laptop. Ashwin, are you doing? Ashwin? Ashwin? What Avinash? Avinash,
Yes, sir.
are you doing all this process?
Yes, sir. I'm doing, sir. Sir, but I was absent for previous classes, sir.
Can you check the video?
Sir, I'm doing it, sir.
Video and
So finding somewhat difficult, sir, but I.
check with your classmate also. Still any problem, you can call me.
Okay, sir.
Let me know other people also. Then I'll proceed. Arnath. Puspanjali, are you doing? Anand? Anushka? Srisagar, no class we are not opening on. I don't know whether listening or not. I don't know. Doing techniques are not few unknowns. Simply coming to the class, not work out. At least you type it in chat window something or do it. See, if you are typing anything wrong, anything, just enter, press up arrow, and you can change that particular word alone. Okay, no need to type again. Just use up arrow, down arrow in order to get the previous term. Only you have to modify that. Okay, so now we are going for the next step. Now we are going for build the art model. For this, you have to use this library. This is what I wrongly told. Library CA tool is for dividing the data set into train and test. Okay, for developing the art model, you have to use library RPath. Another one. What is the another one? Another library we have to
RPath plot, sir.
This tool you have to already install. Only I'm calling. Okay. If you want first time you have to do it, you have to install dot packages. You have to put this RPath. This is for this calling install package. You just have to call for this window. Now you have to write the model. Okay. Qt cart. This is our outcome of the variable. Or you can write model one. You can write whatever you want. You can write before equal to RPath. So negative is what? Different variable. There are two options. What are the two options in that column? Negative or different variable. What are the two options?
True or false?
True or false. True means negative statement. False means it's a positive statement.
Positive statement.
Okay. So it will be above -1 or less than -1. Less than -1 means it's a true. Okay. Above equal to -1 or less than -1 is true. Above -1 is for false. That's a positive statement. This is like equal symbol dot mean all the variable. What are the column we are inserting now? 3, not 9 columns. Okay, each column denotes which one? Wordings. So the data will be either whether 0, 1, 2, 3. So if it 2 denotes mean the corresponding words it is cited in the particular tutor for how many times? 20 means 20 times are cited. Okay, so that is the dot. Okay, data means this is the data. There are two main data is sparse that we are divided into two. Train sparse for 70% of data. Test sparse is for 30% of data. First we are training the model. Okay, training the model using train sparse. So model equal to class. Class means either 0 or 1. Okay, 0 means true, 1 means false. Enter, you will get one window. You are getting another window. get one more. One window will be okay. It will not come out. No, you have to put this one. PRP dot. You will get this window. Okay. You try this. Let's see. I'll explain. Up to this to complete, I wait for another 3 minutes. Then I'll explain the output. Please type it if you are getting the output. Please type it in the chat window up to this step. So if you got this output, I will explain. And then Google got it. Now, output. Check it. Separate window will open. Let's save this file also. I'll explain now. So complete this. I'll wait for another 1 minute. What about other people? Manasa, Sagar, you are not there. I don't know what you are doing. Okay, type it in chat window. Anand, Devyani, Harin, Anish. Anand really completed. Huh? Next time I'll ask to share the screen also. Okay, listen here. So this is yes. This side no. Okay. So if you look at this, the freak word. Okay. If it is less than one time. Okay. If yes mean you can go for next. If it is more than one. Okay. So if you look at this means freak word less than one. This is the content here. Yes means we can check other word, that is 8. If it is more than one time, Okay, so that means no. Okay, so then it will be true. True mean what? Did you remember? What is true? True mean negative statement about the Apple product, right? Remember false and true. Remember we got the negative. False is for which one? Positive statement about the true is for negative statement. Okay, so if this word is less than 1, okay, but that the hate word is there. Hate word equal to 0. 0 means no word. That means it is no words are there. Means we can check with the WF. Okay, WTF. If it is not, always this side will be what? Yes. This side will be no. Not equal to 0 means is more than 1 time or any time. Okay. If this word is meant true, is a negative statement about the product. Okay. So if this word is not there, this word is not there. If this word is there, okay. VTF. If it is yes less than it is equal to 1, yes mean false. False mean positive statement about the product. If it is no, no mean it's not equal to 0. If it is mean it's a negative statement. Okay. So if you look at these 3 words are related to which one? Normally negative sentiment or negative word about any situation, hate, freak, all these things. Okay. So if you look at this, if any one of these word is there in the data, so we can say that there are a lot of, so using this we can implement in our software. So whatever the tutors are coming, based on this software we can do some coding and filter the words. If any one of the words are coming, a lot of negative things are going about our product, particularly Appian product. Okay, so based on this, CRM team can intervene which are the people and what are their issues. We can minorly we can focus, or we can call the people and you can separate the issues. Okay, so in order to overall to understand these issues, so this is the model we have developed. Okay, if any one of these 3 words are there in the Twitter or particularly today or anything using some online platform, so this is the model. Okay, so using machine learning, from this we can develop a platform of software to filter all the Twitters in the platform and find out if the 3 words are there in the today, more words are there today, something happening in our product. Accordingly, you can inform your CRM team to focus on the individual customer wise. Okay, so this is the model. Are you able to understand? See here again, I'll repeat. Freak less. This is the meaning of which one? Freak is less than 1. Yes mean you have to check it well. If it is not equal, not less than 1, that means which one? Which is a not less than 1, 2, 3, 4, something is not less than 1. If it is no mean true. You remember initially we got negative, right? False. False mean positive about the product. True mean negative about the product. Okay, true is negative about this product. Again, hate word equal to 0. If it's yes mean, we have to check this word. If it is no mean, which is a no, which is a not equal to 1, anything 1, 2, 3, 4, that is called not equal to 1. No mean is a true word. Okay, again this word. So if you look at this word, again if it's equal to 0 mean false, it's a positive about the product. If it is not equal to 0 mean 1, 2, 3, it is about true. True mean which one? Negative about our product. Okay, so you can save this file also if you want. You can save it a PDF or image, whatever you want. Are you able to understand somewhat? Okay, so now so far we have developed this model from use which data? Trained data or test data set?
Trained data.
Trained data.
Data set.
Okay, now we are going for
Train data.
predicting the tested data set. Okay, let's go here. Predict cart. Predict is the function. Tut cart. What is the tut cart? Is the model. Just now we created the model, right? This is the model. All the model values are stored in this. It is the equation. So new data set. Which data set? For developing a tut cart, which data set do you use? Trained data set. For checking this one, we are using test sparse. How much will be there here? 30%. Here 70%. Type equal to scale. Now we check the table. The result confusion matrix. Okay, you complete this one. So this is the original file name. What is the original? This is the not original test file name. Test means 30% data. One column is called negative. Okay, in this predict. Predict means we are predicting using some model. What is the model? Negative is a function of all the 399 is a variable. That's the model. Okay, this is stored in the predict part. Use these things we are checking. This row is called which one? Original data. Column is called prediction. So this is the original data. This is the model. False is false. False means both the negative, positive statement, positive correctly predicted as 294. But data says false, but model predict is a negative statement. The true means 6 people. So this is the correctly prediction. This is diagonal. This is the wrongly prediction. Okay, how to test the model accuracy? How to test the model accuracy? You have to use, which is the correctly predicted, 294 plus 18 divided by 294 plus 6 plus 37 plus 18. So 88% you are predicting correctly. 12% error. Complete this and write it in the chat window. Let's see. Please understand, always machine learning any kind of model we can't predict 100%. If you want to check the baseline model, so what is the data? Original data is to sparse. Okay. In this, there are two data sets we created: test and train. Train parse and test parse. If you want to check the table, how many negatives are there? Okay. In negative means 30% of the data. So 30% of data contain how many sample? 355. So 355 means remaining how many sample will be there in a test data set? The train data set. Test data 355. Train data set how many will be there? What is the total sample? Row 1181, right? 118. In this, 70% is in which one? Train. No. 70% is train and 30% is test. Test is 355 means train how much will be there? 827, I think. 827 or 828 will be there. Okay. So in this is the model. If you look at this, if you say all are positive statement, okay. So what will be the accuracy of the model? If you say all are positive, mean 300 divided by 355. So 85%. You say everybody in the model, if you say 80%, but our model predicting how much? 87. So 2% or 2.5% higher. Okay. So this model is okay. Now you can use this and implement by the Apple phone to develop some programming of connecting all the Twitter data directly to the website. So background you can use this model. What is the model? This is the model. T equal to this is the model. We can keep this automatically. We can classify. So what are the words are there accordingly? How many people are talking about positive, negative, everything will get it. Okay. So the model is not 100% right. It's almost 88% right. So 12% you'll get some error, but it's okay. Slowly go through, you will understand. We want table for train, we'll see. Train is this much. So how much into 827, 827, 26. This model accuracy how much? 399 divided by 826. This also 84% model accuracy. Listen here, this is the test. Test may contain how much? How much is the data? Two type of data. Okay, test train and a test. Train contain 70%. 70% of 1181 is 826. 30% of the 1181 is 355. Okay, if you say all are positive statement, we'll get model only 85%. Okay, but we predicted using this model 2% extra. Please type it up to this. Anybody completed? Let me know. I'll conclude the case study. So next class we have two class continuously in Wednesday. We'll go with the unsupervised learning, cluster analysis. We'll learn cluster. Wednesday completed. Please save the file. So what I will suggest is collect some data. We'll see now after they will complete this case study. We'll go to Twitter page and try to collect some data related to food processing company, and we'll make some Excel sheet. Please carefully check it. Even small letter capital here, small letter you have to type it. Capital letter, sparse, N is capital letter. Check it. Quickly, you check. Even if you small, anywhere if you give small capital letter, you will not get. You don't need to type any comment, just press up arrow and you can get it. What about other people? Okay, still you are getting error. Preeti,
Yes, sir.
you try one more time.
I'll try, sir. Sir, I'm getting error like object not found, sir.
You check the comment. Especially C capital letter. Everything check.
Can it try, sir? But same error I'm getting at that point.
No, did you check previous comment and all? Negative dot you put or which one you check this?
I am getting like object trains bars not found.
Object train. Train you given properly with the word inside. Please check it. Train sparse. Yes. I'm given a capital letter here. Similarly, you have to do capital letter. Sparse.
Okay, sir, I will check that one.
I'll conclude the case study. See here, now we use text analytics. In this, text analytics a broader term. In this, sentiment analysis is one of the subpart of text analytics. So the sentiment analysis, there are a lot of articles written on sentiment analysis. There are a lot of startups in Bangalore still working, developing the sentiment analysis solution. So even politician, even government also using to check the government, pulse in social media. Big companies also they have approached companies, startup company to understand the behavior of the people. There are some websites are available. Twitter, what is that? You just check this stock for the sentiment of stock price. So this is how the website are developed based on this process only. Okay, whatever you have done right, the prediction only they are done. So main problem with the text analytics is selecting the right wordings. Okay, we used stemming words and we used all punctuation we removed, and also we have removed the sparse only, having at least 0.05% words which is there only we use for our data matrix. So initially it was almost more than 3,000, then it's come to 300. So that is the main problem in the text analytics. Okay, you have to do lot of numbering, how many numbers words you have to include. So all these things difficult in the text analytics. Okay, the main problem here is it is a labor intensive. To use normal people and all very difficult to understand. Okay, so text analytics within fraction of second we analyze how much data, almost 1,181 tweets. Okay, similarly we increase some more 1 lakh of data, same time it will take. To ask even human to read all the text take lot of time. Human will do some mistakes also. So next class, what we will do is we'll try to see the one concept, one product called IBM Watson. Okay, natural language process. How it is beating the human being. Possible you also check it in YouTube. There are a lot of videos available in IBM Watson. Okay, so there is some competition in the GeoParity. Some competition is there in the US. So how these machines are beating the human beings. Okay, so using the concept of text analytics. That IBM machines are linked with Wikipedia page, all the PDF file, everything. So if anybody asking question, how the natural language process are answering better than the human being. So that is the product of IBM Watson. So we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Anyway, I'll share the video. We slowly go through. Now what we'll do is everybody have some Twitter page you have. Everybody have any Twitter account, anything? So if you have Twitter account, just you go to some Twitter account, we'll try to collect some data related to food processing companies. We'll see. Just to collect some data. Which company will try now? Survey time. Which one? Maggie. Maggie noodles. Huh? Which one will try now? Maggie.
Double G.
Double G.
MAGGI, sir.
We try to collect any data. I don't know. Put some hashtag or what?
Sir, double O.
We'll try somewhere, some other place. Explore. Here, something is there. Maggie was mad to get something they're talking about negative statement. Yeah, you try to is a positive or negative statement? Ban to get noodles. This is a negative statement about the Maggie, right? Negative. Dictated pressure is the Indian pot of money. PUBG ban to show that Akshay sell is something is there. Okay, so Maggie time don't know why I'm doing this to myself, but yeah, I am junk food having a increase my skipping count for next workout. It's a positive statement or negative statement? Ankita, neutral.
Statement, sir. Positive statement.
Not too strong positive. Remember, and we have used so like this. You copy some wordings in the Excel sheet and try to classify it to this one. Okay. So minus 2 means 2 negative. Minus means normal negative statement. Neutral 1 means positive statement and 2 means 1. So you possibly try to collect some data related to a company and apply the similar process. Okay. Maggie pizza. Here. Try out Nestle Maggie, new flavor, Bangkok sweet chili. Would you give it high on chili? Add some burnt flavor to it. Have you tried? This will be not, I think, either positive or neutral, no negative. Okay. So like this, you try, and also you can try it for the Maggie issues time. Also, you can try. So there is some kind of filter also will be there. You can check this setting and privacy. So if you go there, you can have some no type.
We are seeing PPT, sir.
PPT.
We are seeing PPT, sir.
Just go back. So there is more option. If you check, there is something called settings and privacy. So here you check the data related to India or worldwide. Or display content preference. Check this. There are some days also you can give, particularly which day you want. Some option will be there. Change a little bit setting format. Somewhere you get it some the date also you can fix it there. The issue manual issue was there that time you can, or you don't want this data, you can go with some other company. Okay. Some other company you try to use. ECS. What is the company spelling name? ECS, right? If I'm used to purchase this product, yes, correct only. You try to collect for making our day awesome eggs or good. Okay, chicken press, fake plastic egg in this yes, here negative. So you can copy this on negative statement. Supposed to get delivered results negative statement. Okay, look like gonna delay again. This also negative. So like this, you can get some data at least 100 tutor or something, and try to use this same process. Okay, what the data is important, or remaining process is busy. Okay, can you try, and you can try some other company also. What other companies are there? You can try Big Basket. What other food processing companies are famous in this one?
ID foods also we can try.
ID food, yeah, ID food. Like this, you try. So come up with some model, and you can put just a live project in your resume also. You go for, sir, I've done some live project. I've taken this data. You can show as a live project. This is a finding. So this kind of skill they look for in companies nowadays. Or you can some product wise also you can go general product. Yesterday I was reading some newspaper. There they are coming with what is this? Some chemical ITC has come up with cleaning the vegetable, pesticide cleaning. Pesticides cleaner something. So what is that? What is that? No, there. I think Nimwas. It's a new product. So what is the opinion about this product? If you want, you can check it in the social media, Twitter. So not only Twitter, you can use it for what is Facebook, even YouTube also. Only the data will be different. We will not call it as a Twitter. We call it as a YouTube comments or Facebook comments. You can collect some Facebook also. Anywhere you can collect noise. Okay, anyway, next semester there is a business already there. I will teach the NBO how to automatically collect the Twitter data. There is one software is there. We'll discuss that also. So like this, you can have some data, and remaining process will be same. Whatever you have done, right? Importing data, cleaning the data, all the codings will be same. Only the input will be different. Okay. So try to do it. If you are anybody created any Excel data, please send it to me. We'll see. Okay, I'll give some marks also. I need some data. I'm not able to get some data. So as a group, already Sharmani, can you give it next class before next class?
Yes, Wednesday we'll give it, sir.
Okay. Wednesday we are going to learn new topic. So far we have completed machine learning on supervised machine learning, logistic record part, all these things. Next class we start with the unsupervised learning. Particularly we are going to use cluster analysis. Okay, how to group recommendation system they are used by some of the company we discuss. Okay, shall I stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anything?
No, sir.
Magesh, you want to share your window, anything? Magesh?
Nothing, sir.
No, you can share your window. We'll see how what is the error we're getting.
I'm connected in mobile, sir. Next class.
Okay, yeah.
I don't learn.
Okay, you try in this one next class. If there is still any problem, next class you show your window, share your window. I can give as a co-host. So if you are co-host, you can share your window. I can see. What I'll do is I'll share the coding also. Yeah, or you can check it your this YouTube video. There you can get all the step by step.